In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of Monarch Money, one of the most talked about budgeting and wealth tracking apps today. Monarch Money is designed to give you a complete overview of your finances by syncing all your accounts in one place. Whether it's your bank accounts, credit cards, loans, investments, or even your crypto wallets, Monarch pulls it all together so you can clearly see where your money is going and how your net worth is growing. One thing I really like about Monarch is its clean, modern interface. It's easy to use and visually appealing, which makes budgeting feel a lot less boring. You can set up custom budgeting categories, track spending, plan monthly budgets, and even forecast your financial future. Unlike some other apps, Monarch also offers shared access, which is perfect if you want to budget with a partner or family member. It supports goal setting too, whether you're saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. Monarch helps you break down your goals into simple, manageable steps. Now let's talk about pricing. Monarch Money offers a 7-day free trial, but after that, it's a paid service around $14.99 per month, or $99 annually if you pay upfront. It might sound like a lot compared to free apps, but if you're serious about managing your money and want a distraction-free experience with no ads and powerful customization, it could be worth the investment. Plus, your financial data is encrypted and secure, which is always a top concern with money apps. So, is Monarch Money worth it? In my opinion, yes, especially if you're looking for a finance tool that's more than just a budget tracker. Monarch is for people who want to see the big picture of their finances, not just the day-to-day spending. It's ideal for families, couples, or anyone who wants to grow their net worth and stay organized financially. If you've been frustrated with cluttered apps or limited free tools, Monarch Money might be the upgrade you've been looking for. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Monarch Money or are considering it. And if this review helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos.